Today we're making authentic traditional Jamaican brown stew chicken. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you see from the title, today we're making brown stew chicken. Now in a couple of videos back, I had shown you how I prep my chicken for the week. So this, this chicken, this is what I did. I prepped my chicken, a versatile chicken. So I could curry it brown stew, but for today I'm brown stewing this that I have here. Alright, so just going to tear it out the bag. Alright. And then quick wash your hands. And then I'm going to show you what I have here. Alright. So let's move the pot out of the way. Alright, so what I have here is sweet pepper, tomato, thyme, pepper, carrot, sweet potato, crushed pimento, ginger, and those, I'm going to sweat out in the oil. So if you notice, I'm using sweet potato instead of Irish potato because my baby loves sweet potato. So I said let me just put that in there and cook it down in there because I'm not boiling any food. Oh yes, I forget to share that I'll be using about a tablespoon of soy sauce in there as well. Alright, so I just want to dunk everything down in the pot there. Dunk everything down in there apart from what I'm going to sweat out in the oil. So the pimento and the grated ginger, and these are all the seasonings I use on my meat, guys. Whatever meat I'm using, these are all the seasonings I use. I don't use powder seasoning on my meat. So now I'm ready to add the soy sauce, about a tablespoon. Alright, so I put a bag on my now and I'm rubbing everything in, guys. I could use a glove, but I can't use gloves. I feel like I'm going to suffocate. So I really can't use gloves. So I normally save the little baguettes there and then I wash them and put them over my hand and rub the seasoning in the meat. Alright, so I'm going to put that aside and then start cooking. Alright, so I'm getting my pot here ready. So we're ready now to add the oil. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of coconut oil as usual. Then add in a piece of thyme, we're flavoring the oil from the beginning. And then we put in the piece of ginger that I grated earlier. Alright, so I just want to sweat these out in the oil, to flavor up the oil and so. And now I'm adding sugar, which is a must in authentic Jamaican brown stew chicken. This is gonna add some depth of flavor and nice beautiful color. Alright, so it's coming along nicely, almost where I want it, almost at the color where I want it. I'm just gonna spin it around because I don't want it to stay one place and burn. So now we're ready to add the chicken to it. We're gonna try as best as possible to get off as much of the seasoning as possible because we don't want to put them in there and have them burn. So the sugar they're foaming up, that's just how I want it. We want to remove that piece of scallion. Give it a quick stir so as not to have the sugar one place and have it burn. And look at that color, guys. And it's not even 2 minutes yet. Look at that color coming in. It's going to get prettier. Remember, it's a stew, so we're now going to cover it and allow it to stew down nicely. Look at that color, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Woo! So nice, so nice. So we're going to quickly turn them over so some other beautiful color can go on the other side. Look at that. Whew. That's the sugar they're working, guys. It's giving it that caramelly color. Very beautiful. Cover it back. And just put a little water in there and put on back the cover. So they're right where I want them. Give it a quick stir. Yeah, man. So they're all browned. Now I have the color that I want. So I'm now moving on to the next step, which is to stew it down. So all that seasoning that I added to it before, I'm gonna just put it on there, on the top there. Spread it out as much as possible. I'm going to rinse the pot to get out all of that good seasoning down in there with a little warm water and pour that over it. Add a little more. I need it to cover the meat so the meat can stew down in the juice there. And then the steam is going to come up and just release all of the flavor from those seasoning there and just releasing the chicken. Out everything. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. And as you know, Jamaican brown stew chicken is not brown stew chicken without ketchup. So here I'm adding about 2 tablespoons or so of ketchup to it. You know, holy grail of holy grails. Cover it and just let it slowly stew. Gonna turn down the flame and let it slowly stew. And look at it now, guys. Look at this now. Oh. The meat is fall off the bone tender already. So I'm just now concentrating on making the gravy. Cover it back and allow it to cook for about 5 to 8 more minutes. Look at that, guys. Look at those bubbles. Remember, we cook it low and slow, guys. So right here we're just about finished. I'm just gonna cook it down for about 2 more minutes just to get a thicker gravy, and then that's it. That's it, guys. Very beautiful, and I don't think the video is doing it much justice to how beautiful it is. So that's how I make my authentic Jamaican brown stew chicken. Also, guys, let me know down in the comments what you prefer to have your brown stew chicken with. Here I serve it with white rice, some salad, and what I call mac and no cheese, which I have a video coming up on that, guys. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.